Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I want to share with you what I am going to make my summer holiday sketching kit. So I will unpack this sketchbook here and do a bit of swatching with these brushes here. I'm very excited about them because I've never tried them before. I got these from Gaby Dolls. I'll put a link in the description of this video below to her channel. So yeah, I sometimes think it's kind of funny to assemble an obstruction to a sketchbook. So I'll be using just this medium here in this sketchbook here in the summer holiday. So yes, I'm in very good time. I have been prepared this time. So let's start off with the sketchbook here. This was a spontaneous buy. I don't know the brand. Talent's Art Creation. I was taken in by the turquoise color here. I couldn't stand for that color. Or maybe it's more of a, what's it called? Pistachio mint color. And it was only 34 kroner, which is, how much is that? It's like €5. And also I really like the format of it. It fits right into a pocket or a small backpack. Got a nice little rubber band here. I like the rounded corners of the sketchbook already. And also it has a ribbon, very practical. Oh, I love the size of it. And quite thick pages, which makes it excellent for watercolors or the sketch set here, which I also can use water for. Can have a look here at the brushes. So many colors. Oh, wow, will be difficult to choose. Let's maybe try this one and this one. Very flexible. You can use the fine tip and then you can use these super broad strokes. Feels amazing. I look forward to making these plein air studies, so drawing landscapes and little details, but also just make some fun illustrations. Then you can also blend the brushes. I went and watched a little tutorial here on YouTube because I never tried this before. I must say they feel amazing. The pigment is just it's very easy to apply the ink here. Then you can blend. And this is where things get really exciting, when you can, for instance, do a landscape study and then you need to paint some grass or texture of the ocean, and then you can blend it. Wow, it feels great. And I look forward to just experiment, see how many things you can do with these. Try out one more color here. And see if we can maybe make some kind of sun. And use water. The genius thing about this sketch set here is also that you can, this little practical cup with it foldable. It's just so handy. I wonder if it's a scout who's been designing, earlier scout who's been designing. I hope it holds water. It does. There you have a little holder for your water when you're out there sketching. Oi! It folds right back in. Let's try. Activate it. See how much pigment it has. Just that little spot of red there, how much color it can create. And the paper feels nice too. It doesn't bleed through. Cool. Just right here. Just write summer. Summer. So that was just a bit of sharing my summer sketchbook kit. Yeah, I look forward to sharing a sketchbook tour once when I've experimented a lot with these new beautiful things here. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you Gaby for the amazing brush set. And until next time, have fun drawing.